So we're about to go on our first leg, which is to Sydney, and then we have a 6-hour layover. So we're gonna actually go out of the airport and go shopping a little bit, and then we get back to the airport and go to Perth. So after about 2 hours of shopping, we got a pair of socks, 3 pair of socks, a lot of socks. And then I just got some pizza. So once I finish this, we're gonna head back to the airport. And we're back. Okay, so we just went to the museum. It's kind of boring, but now we're gonna go get some food at Little Creatures. Let's go. Okay, so we just finished getting that time lapse of the sunset. It wasn't that great, but hopefully we'll get some better time lapses in Margaret River. And meanwhile, we are just throwing tennis balls at historical monuments. So that was fun. And I think we're gonna go get dinner now, so off we go.